Yes, hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel. This is your girl Nora, and in this video I'm talking to the ladies and telling you the things you must know in a relationship. Are you new to my channel? Please subscribe and click on the notifications bell so that every time I post a video you get notified. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Ladies, know these very important things in every relationship. You want to keep a relationship, you want to grow a relationship. You are maybe tired of dying relationships that you start and they fail. There are these very important things that most ladies don't know. But here I am to tell them to you. Be very careful and listen. Number 1, women. Ladies, if you are spiritually grounded, you don't know God, you don't pray, you don't give yourself to God, listen, it's going to be very hard for you to keep a relationship. Do you know why? You are surrounded by fake friends. You are surrounded by frenemies who call themselves your friends. You are surrounded by people who lie, who don't say the truth, who want you to fail, but they pretend like they want you to win. You are having friends who have no morals, who will stop at nothing to steal your husband away from you. Friends who disregard God. You are surrounded by such friends and you don't know. Your husband is also surrounded by such friends and he doesn't know. Who will lure him to sleep with other women? Who will introduce him to other women? We are living in such a crazy world. You cannot live in a marriage when you are spiritually grinding. Know your God. Rise up and pray. Number 2, ladies, do not spoil your man with dinners, jewels, clothes all the time, shoes, taking him out, buying for him these nice expensive things all the time when you are not receiving the same. Remember, it's his duty as a man to do these things. The more you do them for him, it won't be received well by him. Your intentions are to make him feel loved. He will feel belittled. He will feel like he's not a man enough. Even when he doesn't show it to you, he is feeling it. In turn, you are going to turn this man into a taker. If he doesn't have high value and dignity, he's going to become a taker. He's going to become a swindler. He's going to become someone who is only with you because he's taking things from you. Credit cards, cars, shoes, clothes, housing, etc. You are going to turn him into a taker and you will be dating a taker. Let the man be in his place as a man, no matter how much money you have. Do not spoil your man with those things. It's his duty to do so. And do not underestimate and devalue his gifts. He might not have all the money to buy you cars and all expensive gifts. Appreciate what he has to offer and be grateful. Number 3, ladies, when a man treats you like a queen, he respects you, he opens doors for you, he picks after you, he kneels for you, he apologizes when he's in the wrong, he explains to you, he gives you time. Do not think he's desperate and do not take it for granted. He can stop just like that. When a man treats you like a queen, treat him like a king immediately. Don't act all bossy and grow wings and horns because you think you're on top of the world. You are not. If he has put you there, be grateful and reciprocate the love. Don't look down at him, don't talk down at him because you think he is desperate and you are the queen of his world. He has made you the queen of his world, and he can take you down as queen of his world and put you to nothing, just like that. Ladies, value yourself. There is someone out there, there is a man out there who is valuing everything you are giving and doing for this man, who treats you like trash. Do not let any man make you feel like you are useless, you are nothing. If you give everything and give yourself to God, you've been patient enough, you have prayed about it, you have tried your best, you have been good enough, but you are, that love, that effort you put in is not appreciated, it's not reciprocated, and you still feel like you are taken for granted year in, year out. Find your exit, woman. You are getting physically, emotionally, financially drained by someone who doesn't value you, who takes you for granted. You deserve better. Know those things. They are very important. It's very important that you know these things and live by them. Live by your brain, not by your heart. Trust me, you will have a successful marriage. You will be married successfully in Jesus' mighty name. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. And do not forget to follow my handles. Facebook is at Nora82. Instagram is @Iam_Nora. Twitter is at Nora Charipa. Thank you. I love you. See you in the next video. Bye.